The Eagle, known as Aquila among the 88 constellations in the night sky, in the northern hemisphere. It is visible during the summer season with clarity. Aquila reminds us of an eagle in flight with its distinct shape and spread wings. A star consuming a planet similar to Jupiter is an interesting fact. A captivating event found in recent astronomical discoveries has intrigued scientists and space fans alike. A planet that resembles Jupiter was spotted being consumed by a star within the Aquila constellation. This unusual and fascinating event serves as evidence of the complex interactions between stars and planets. The objectives of the outline is to furnish a structured means of exploring how a star in the Aquila constellation devoured a planet resembling Jupiter. Examining the star in question, discussing the properties of the Jupiter-like planet, investigating the occurrence itself, and comprehending more about Aquila's history is possible by gathering all the information in one place. By studying scientific observations and conclusions, we can reflect on their importance for future investigations. This interesting event is presented from a complete perspective in order for viewers to gain a full understanding, as conveyed in this summary. A star in the Aquila constellation has a planet, meaning the future. Aquila's appearance and whereabouts in the nighttime firmament. The northern sky hosts the constellation Aquila. Derived from the Latin term for eagle, which is Aquila, its name was given. Both the northern and southern regions' residents can witness it, since it is positioned near the celestial equator. The sky plays host to Aquila, which is positioned between Hercules and Sagittarius. It looks like an eagle with extended wings, making it easily detectable. Aquila's brightest star is Altair. Together with Vega in Lyra and Deneb in Cygnus, it forms a well-known constellation called the Summer Triangle. A significant asterism during the summer months in the North Hemisphere sky is the Summer Triangle. Aquila boasts multiple well-known celestial objects. Messier 11, also called the Wild Duck Cluster, is a highly popular globular cluster among those who study astronomy. A cluster of stars huddles densely. Eta Aquilae and Zeta Aquilae are two instances of double star arrangements in the constellation Aquila. The Milky Way's proximity to Aquila allows for incredible sightings of multiple deep sky objects. Both professional and amateur astronomers favor targeting this. Looking at and learning about the constellation Aquila can be fascinating, because it has prominent features and numerous legends. Discovering this constellation is worth the time investment. The Aquila constellation, officially known as HD 164595, was witnessed eating a planet that bears a resemblance to Jupiter. As a main sequence star, it is roughly 95 light-years from Earth in distance. A star with the spectral class G2V, HD 164595, is a yellow dwarf. It resembles our Sun. A G2V star is what describes HD 164595's features and traits. This implies that it contains several analogous size, temperature, and brightness elements akin to our Sun. The circumference of the star is approximately 1.1 times larger than that of the Sun, and its weight is around 1.06 times heavier. Around 5,800 Kelvin is considered to be its actual temperature. In addition, HD 164595 is not considered old. It's generally believed that it's around 4.5 billion years old. The stable process of nuclear fusion in its core converts hydrogen into helium. The process generates energy. The star remains luminous thanks to this fusion and is able to emit heat and radiation into the vast expanse of space. The location of the star within the Aquila constellation holds significance for observations and research. Aquila's proximity to the celestial equator enables its visibility from various points on Earth. It's easy to study HD 164595 in detail using both ground-based and space-based cameras, according to astronomers. This celestial object presents a great opportunity for them to learn more. Observing other heavenly bodies is made easy by its position in the Aquila constellation, thus making it an excellent viewing spot. Among the listings are star groups, nebulae, and binary star systems. Close proximity to other interesting parts of Aquila makes HD 164595 a useful reference point for researchers investigating the area. Eating a planet resembling Jupiter is a crucial point worth considering. The study sheds more light on the formation of planets, the changes in systems of stars over time, and the way stars behave in relation to their surrounding planets. Investigating this occurrence in Aquila permits us to expand our knowledge of the extensive nature of the cosmos. It also facilitates our comprehension of the intricate occurrences within it. For research on planets beyond our solar system, Jupiter-like worlds hold great importance. Exoplanet studies greatly rely on the significance of gas giants like Jupiter for multiple reasons. Being big and having a strong effect on the stars they orbit makes these celestial objects quite common and easily locatable. We gain essential knowledge about the account and positioning of gas giants within various star systems for their revelation. Scientists may extract knowledge about the diversity of planetary systems and their formation processes by observing exoplanets similar to Jupiter. Learning about themselves might show how they can impact the places where people live. More insights about the world are gained through these research projects. The stipulated conditions needed for the commencement and maintenance of life are comprehensible with their aid. The planet's orbit slowly fell apart due to factors like tides and stellar winds, eventually leading to the star consuming it like Jupiter. The star consumed the planet eventually. The star exerted an increasingly powerful gravitational force on the planet as they moved closer together. The planet surpassed a significant distance known as a Roche limit at some point. This is when the planet's tides become stronger than its own gravity. This converted the upper layers into a stream of gas and debris. The material spiraling in towards the star created an accretion disk. The magnetic fields of the star provoked a reaction from the disk. The star became hot and released a lot of radiation. The size and composition of the planet dictated its future. Should it resemble Jupiter, the star would absorb the majority of its bulk. Overall, the star would become heavier. The star's structure and brightness would change greatly with the sudden addition of mass. The survival of its core against tidal forces would allow the planet to exist in orbit around the star as a planetesimal. It could be expelled into space too. The star's chemical makeup would be altered in the long run by its consumption of the planet, which would affect the relationship between them. New planet system formation could be affected perhaps. When stars and planets come close, powerful forces are unleashed, as showcased by the exceptional conversions between the star in the Aquila constellation and a Jupiter-like planet that fascinated astronomers. Furthermore, this revelation has unlocked novel approaches to conducting research in the coming years. Constructing theoretical models, improving observational methods, and studying other stars and exoplanet systems are principles employed to identify the frequency and consequences of comparable occurrences in diverse stellar environments. The Aquila constellation star reminds us how intricate and fascinating our world is. So, if you like videos, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.